Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're stepping away from the world of Forex just for the moment because we're seeing that Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies are hitting record highs. Bitcoin in particular breaking 72,000 for the first time. Ethereum also cracking the $4,000 handle as well. So is there going to be any slowdown in the cryptocurrency market? It seems at the moment there's a big boom happening. Are we going to see the erratic volatility that we've seen over the years where Bitcoin has really started to fall a few $1,000 in one session and then rising a few $1,000s higher as well? At the moment, it doesn't seem likely because on the daily chart, if we just go straight to there, we've seen this real big shift from 40,000, and that was only at the end of January. So just imagine roughly 5 to 6 weeks, Bitcoin has added over $30,000 to its value. The only thing we can look at here for any kind of signal is we've got a very erratic bearish candle for one particular session at the beginning of March, but since then it has actually bounced away from that and started moving higher away from the 20-day moving average as well. Really overbought on the RSI, so we are looking at a slight correction before possibly another uptick as well. Obviously, we've got the Bitcoin halving coming next month. That could actually push the cryptocurrency to $100,000, which is a lot of economists are waiting for. If we look on the 4-hour chart, however, just for intraday perspective, we're just seeing now, as I said, this very erratic candlestick that we have become used to over the years from Bitcoin. After, like I said, it has actually fluctuated a few $1,000s in a particular session. But as you can see here, overbought, and just was going into neutral territory before we're having another upshift. But, you know, it is a heavy bearish divergence. If it does come into play, if it does actually happen, we could see price action start moving a little bit lower. But as I said, we've seen it before a few times where we saw a correction, but it's just continued to the upside. So is it just going to be pretty much ignored, and is there just too much buying pressure out there that there's going to be another wave higher? Well, let's look on Ethereum as well. Just bring it back to the daily chart. Pretty much moving the same vein as Bitcoin, you know, since the bottom that we saw at the end of January, just in 5 to 6 weeks, we saw another move to the upside. So it's really looking likely that it could actually keep on pushing higher. There's not even really been any corrections on the daily chart, to be honest. Bouncing away from the 20-day moving average. And look at this on the RSI, very, very overbought as well. So we're just waiting for that to come down. If it does, we could see quite a sell-off. But as I said, the basic economist news is that we will see another push higher, and with the Bitcoin halving coming, just keep an eye out for that next month as well. As with Bitcoin, we did get this correction as well at the 5th of March, but since then it has been ignored. We are moving vastly higher. So just keep an eye out for the cryptocurrencies. We know how volatile they can be, and if you are trading them, just make sure that you have your pending orders in, stop losses and take profits to protect your invested capital as well. So that's all from today. Don't forget, we've got CPI data coming out from America later on. That could be a big move in the market, especially if we see an uptick in inflation, and we'll see if the interest rates are being cut a bit earlier as well. So that's all to come. Stay tuned, stick with us, stay ahead, and trade responsibly, and we'll keep you updated on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So bye for now.